Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your Acorns Invest account easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Acorns app log into your account if you haven't already. Navigate to the Profile tab located in the bottom right corner. Scroll down to find the Accounts section. Tap on Acorns Invest within that section. Select Close Account to begin the cancellation process. You may see a prompt explaining the implications of closing your account. Carefully read through the information provided. If you wish to proceed, confirm your decision to close the account. Follow any additional prompts that may appear on the screen. You might be asked to provide a reason for the cancellation. Fill in the required information if prompted. Once done, tap on Submit or Confirm as indicated. Check your email for a confirmation message regarding the account closure. Ensure you keep this confirmation for your records. Return to the app to verify that your account has been successfully closed. If you encounter any issues, visit the Acorns support page for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.